Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 2 Science Olympiad, and in class 2 Science Olympiad the chapter we are going to read, we are going to continue the chapter that is food. Okay, so in our previous session we have already discussed some questions of this chapter, and in our today's session we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question: which one of the following is a good eating habit? Options are A. Eating slowly, B. Eating different kinds of vegetables, C. Eating meals at regular intervals, D. All of the above. So here we have to find out which one of the following is a good eating habit. So eating slowly, yes, it is a good eating habit. We should chew the food properly, right? Yes. Eating different kind of vegetables, yes, it is also good habit. It is required for our body. Then eating meals at regular interval, yes, this one is also correct. If we take meals at regular interval, then it will be properly digested, and we can take we can intake whatever required amount of food we should take. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D, that is all the above. Coming to the next question, which one of the following gives pulses? Options are A. Egg, B. Pea, C. Milk, D. Fish. So we have to find out which one of the following gives pulses. So we get pulses from pea. Okay, not from egg, milk or fish. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question, we get most of our food from options are A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Clothes, D. Both A and B. So, we get most of our food from plants. Yes, we get most of the food from plants, also from the animals, right? So, here the correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. Coming to the next question, we should not eat uncovered food as options are A. It can make us healthy. B. It can help us to grow. C. It might have germs. D. All the above. So, we should not eat uncovered food as it can make us healthy. No. It can help us to grow. No. It might have germs. Yes. Okay. So this uncovered food, it may contain dust and germs. So we should not eat them. Got it? Coming to the next question. The food that makes our body strong and fit is known as options are A. Junk food, B. Stale food, C. Healthy food, D. Uncovered food. So, the food that makes our body strong and fit is known as healthy food. Okay. So the healthy foods, they contain many nutrients. They keep our body strong and fit, right? So here the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, rice, wheat, sugar, ghee and butter are called, options are A. Energy giving food, B. Protective food, C. Bodybuilding food, D. None of these. So rice, wheat, sugar, ghee and butter are called which type of food? So rice, wheat and sugar, they contain carbohydrate. Okay, ghee and butter, they contain fat, and this carbohydrate and fat, they are known as energy giving food. So here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, protective food help to protect us from, options are A. Diseases, B. Trees, C. Animals, D. Insects. So, protective food helps us to protect us from diseases. Okay, they increase our immunity. Okay, and this protective food, they contain what? They contain vitamins and minerals. Okay, They increase our immunity and they protect us from different diseases. So here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, which food items are harmful for us? Options are A. Junk food, B. Vegetables, C. Fruits, D. Milk. So, which food items are harmful for us? Here the correct answer is junk food, because junk food it contains a lot of fat, okay, carbohydrate. These are not good for our health. Okay. So correct answer is option A. But we like to eat junk food, right? So don't take much junk food. Okay. So coming to the next question. We should avoid to eat. Options are A. Burgers, B. Fruits, C. Vegetables, D. Pulses. So here the question is we should avoid to eat. What we should avoid? Yes, we should avoid to eat junk foods. Okay, so among these, burger is the junk food, right? So we should not eat it. And fruits, vegetable, pulses, these are required for our body, right? So here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, a meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called dash. Options are A. Balanced diet, B. Junk food, C. Raw food. So, a meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called balanced diet, okay, because it contains all the nutrients in proper balance. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, what should we do to keep ourselves healthy? Options are A. Exercise regularly, B. Eat junk food, C. Watch television. What should we do to keep ourselves healthy? So for keeping ourselves healthy, we should exercise regularly, we should not eat junk food and watch television has no contribution for this. Okay, for keeping to keep ourselves healthy, we can exercise regularly, we can take healthy food, a balanced diet. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, we should brush our teeth. Options are A. Twice a day, B. 3 times, C. Once in a day. So, we should brush our teeth how many times? Yes, you all must be knowing twice a day. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, which of the following component is present in junk food? Options are A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Vitamins, D. Minerals. So, which of the following component is present in junk food? So, junk food it mainly contains carbohydrates and fats. Okay. So, here the correct answer is option B, that is fat. Coming to the next question. What is common between bread, jam and potato chips? Options are A. Rich in fat, B. Rich in carbohydrate and protein, C. Rich in carbohydrate, D. Rich in fiber. So, what is common between bread, jam and potato chips? So, bread, jam and potato chips, they are rich in carbohydrate. Okay. So, here correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question. If a person eats too much of food rich in fat and does no physical work, it leads to options are A. Malnutrition, B. Vitamin deficiency, C. Night blindness, D. Obesity. So if a person eats too much of food rich in fat and does no physical work, what will happen? Yes, it will lead to obesity. Got it? Yes. Coming to the, so here correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients for over a long period are called, options are A. Infectious diseases, B. Deficiency diseases, C. Food lacking diseases, D. Obesity. So, diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients for over a long period are known as deficiency diseases. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question. Calcium and phosphorus are needed for options are A. Blood, B. Healthy bones and teeth, C. Glowing skin, D. Energy for playing. So calcium and phosphorus are needed for healthy bones and teeth. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of which one of these vitamins? Options are A, B, B, C, D, D, C. So, citrus fruits are an excellent source of which of these vitamins? So, citrus fruits are excellent source of vitamin C. And the citrus fruits are there lemon, orange, okay. These are the fruits which are containing which contains vitamin C. Got it? Yes. So here correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Which of the following behavior is part of a healthy eating plan? Options are A. Samya sometimes eats cold spaghetti or leftover pizza for breakfast. B. Ananya likes to eat lot of fruits and vegetables along with milk. C. Sumit skips breakfast when he is late for school. D. Anubhav counts fruit pie and sugar drinks that contain some fruit as his daily fruit servings. So, which of the following behavior is a part of a healthy eating plan? So sometimes it's cold spaghetti or leftover pizza for breakfast. No. Ananya likes to eat lots of fruit and vegetable along with milk. Yes. Sumit skips best breakfast when he is late for school. No, we should not keep breakfast. Okay. Then Anubhav counts fruit pie and sugar drinks that contain some fruit as his daily fruit serving. No, we should not take that also. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question. Vaccine is a substance. Options are A. Injected to protect us from diseases. B. Given orally to protect us from diseases. C. Way of preventing communicable diseases. D. Injected or orally given to protect us from diseases. So vaccine is a substance which injected or orally given to protect us from diseases. Okay, you must have heard about different type of vaccines, right? Recently, that coronavirus vaccine, then corona vaccine, and many vaccines are there for different diseases. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D. They may be injected directly into the blood or they may be given orally. Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.